When an employer sees a high-level language qualification on a CV, they are rarely just thinking about language. They normally ask a deeper question. What kind of thinker is this person? High-level language qualifications don't just prove fluency. They signal something far more valuable to the people who hire. Consider a new employee joining a company with a demanding internal framework. Many employees focus on memorizing steps. Someone who has reached C1 or C2 level looks for patterns, logic, and structure. This comes from years of learning grammar, register, and meaning in context. Within a short period, this person can often perform their own tasks reliably and explain the system to others. Advanced language training also shapes how people think when information is incomplete or contradictory. They question assumptions. They identify the real source of a disagreement before others even notice it. Employers benefit because decisions are more likely to be based on clarity and reasoning rather than misinterpretation or unchecked assumptions. High-level language exams require accuracy across extended tasks and reward careful self-monitoring. In professional life, this means spotting inconsistencies in reports, catching unclear formulations before documents go out, and preventing errors that could damage credibility. In many workplaces, communication is most critical precisely when things go wrong. Employees with advanced qualifications respond differently. They write messages that are calm, precise, and structured, acknowledging the issue while focusing on solutions and next steps. Advanced language learning rarely happens in isolation from culture. Learners are exposed to different conventions around politeness, disagreement, and persuasion. In multinational teams, this awareness reduces friction and supports more effective collaboration across borders. As AI tools become embedded in daily work, language competence has gained new relevance. High-level language qualifications are rarely achieved quickly or by accident. They require sustained effort, regular feedback, and persistence through phases where progress feels slow. The real value of aiming at a language qualification lies in the learning journey to get there. That's the proof that matters, and it's the proof that no shortcut can replace.